How are you? Grade 4. Today we'll explain from Vision Math first term, volume number 1. Lesson number 3, topic 6, model multiplicity problems. In this lesson, you can find hidden quotient and use bar diagrams and equation to model and solve multiple choice questions and problems. Look at with me about first solve and share questions. Last year, 18 people went on a family camping trip. This year, 3 times as many people went. How many more people went this year than last year? And complete the bar diagram and show how you solve. Look at here, you can divide it. This place, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. You can draw bar models and find the answer. You can divide it by 18 plus 18 plus 18. 3 times 18 equals 54. And 54 subtract by 18 equals 36. The result will be 36. Okay, again, last year 18 people went on a family camping trip. This year 3 times as many people went. 3 times we can product 3 times 18. 18 plus 18 plus 18 equals 54. 54 we can divide 18 as a number here. We can write 54 subtract by 18, find the number here by write 36. Okay, he can use people last year and people number of people more here. 18 plus 36 equal 54. Okay, he won't find the increased 18 plus what equal 54. It is 18 plus 36. You can use also this method by finding the answer. Okay, 18 times 2 equal 36. Look back and how can you use estimation to decide your answer? About 3 times 18, 18 nearest to 20, then 3 times 20 is 60 people. 60 subtract by 20 equal 40 more people went in this year than last year. If my answer is close to 40, it is responsible. Okay, look at this question up here. He asked about this question. A school uses 8 buses to transport 4 grade students and 6 vans to transport the 3rd grade students a field trip. How many fewer 3rd grade students than 4th grade students are on the field trip? Step number 1, we can divide the number here. We have 8 buses transport the number. Look at the bus here. The number of each bus consists of 24 students. Then we must 8 times 24 first step. The next step we have here each van of 5 students, and we have 6 vans. Then 6 times 15. Then we have 2 operation here. 8 times 24 and 6 times 15, and then 8 together. Okay, to find the answer. You can use bar model here to find the answer. 24 times 8 equals 192, and the number of vans students in it 6 times 15 equals 90, and then collect together to find the answer. Oh, he won't find the difference. He asked here how many fewer third. Fewer means difference. Then you can find the difference between two numbers. Okay, subtract between 192 the number of students in the bus and 90 the number of students in the van. The difference between them, it will be 102. Amanda says she can solve the problem using equation below. Do you agree or not? We can write 8 times 24 subtract 6 by 15. Yes, true, because we can use here the result about first and second, find the difference. Amanda's equation is the same as 192 subtract 90. Expect she used expression 9 times 24 places and 6 times 15 expression to find the result. Okay, I will explain the steps down here about this operation. 8 times, look at here, 8 product by 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. 2 and carry up 3. 2 times 8 16 plus 3 equal 19. And 6 times 15. 5 times 6 30. 0 and carry up 3. 1 times 6 6 plus 3 equal 9. Result will be 90. Then we can find the difference between together. 192 subtract by 90. 2 minus 0 is 2, and 9 minus 9 is 0, and write 1. The result will be 102. Then the difference between them 102. Okay, next question. Next page here, eat it up. The Lobby family gets 2 pizza and 4 hot dogs. We have the price of each one here. Look at here. Pizza $18 and turkey warp $9, hot dog $6, and so on. Okay, he give me the cost about 2 times 18 and 4 times 6, because 2 pizza, the price of each one was 18, 2 times 18, and 4 hot dog. 4 product by 6, and they collect together. 36 plus 24 will be 60. The total answer here will be 60. Look at this question. Book says he can use this operation to find the answer. 18 plus 18 and 6 plus 6 plus 6 to find the answer. 6 times 4 and here 18 times 2. Yes, it's correct. He can find by taking the number. That is correct. The answer is the cost of 2 pizzas is $18 plus $18 equals 36, and the cost of 4 hot dogs $6 every time, because the addition is meaning repeating of multiplication. Okay, you can write 4 times 6 equivalent to 6 plus 6 plus 6. If we eat 6 4 times, it's meaning 6 times 4. Next, write one or more equation you could use to find the total cost. C of 2 turkey wraps, 2 hamburgers, and 5 drinks. We can write the price of each one. 2, look here, 2 turkey wraps. The price of each one was 8 in the price here up. Look at here up. 2 times 8. Turkey was where we have here 9. Okay, you can product together to find the answer. The number of things product by the total number. He asked about 2 hamburger. The price of 1 hamburger was 8, and 2 times 8, and also 2 turkey rib, it will be 4 or 9. This 9. Okay, 2 times 9. Then you can collect together. Down here, 2 times 8 16, and 2 times 9 is 18, and also 4 drinks. The price of each drink was $2. 4 times 2 is. Then collect the answer to find 2 times 16, 2 times 9 18, 2 times 4 8, and then collect together. Okay, next question. The problem is on the previous pages. Suppose the school fails 11 passes and lists the remaining students ride vans. How many students ride vans? Use one or more bar diagram and equation to show your solve. Okay, we have the answer here. Look at the steps. We have 11 buses. You remember the question? We have 11 product by 24, and the remainder was what? 192 plus 90 subtract by 11 product by 24. I will go again about the example. Do you remember the example about this? Look at this example here. Yes, he asked about this example. Remember, he asked about if we together. Look at here. In this question, the number of students in the bus was 192. The number was what? 192, and the number of van was 90, because we have the number of van was 6 vans. Each students will take 15 students in each van. Then 15 times 6 equal 90. And in this question, when we solve it, we won't find the difference. Look at here. Now he won't find the difference between collect numbers here subtracted by the new students. The new students here, we have 4 buses. He asked about what? 4 buses. We know each bus contains of 24 students. Do you remember this? Look at here. Each bus contains of what? Give me this information, this example. Yes, each bus contains of 24 students. Look at up here. Each bus contains of 24 students. And you can collect the number of all students, subtract by 11, subtract by 24 to find the number of students, because 11 buses go out. Okay, look at this example again here. We have 11 buses filled. The school fills 11 buses, and the least remaining students ride in the vans. Then we can collect together 0 plus 2 2, 9 plus 9 18, 8 and carry up 1, and then product by 11 and 24. We can product together here, right? 24 product by 11, 1 times 4 4, 1 times 2 2 plus 0, and write 4 and 2 collect together. The result will be 264. We can find the difference here. 7 and 12. 12 minus 4 equal 8, and 7 minus 6 1. Then the number of students will be 18. Then 18 students ride the vans, or ride in vans. Simple answer. V equals the number of students in vans. V equal 192 plus 90 subtract the product of 11 and 24. There is a difference between them equal 18 students. You can use also a bar diagram to find the answer. Okay. Next question. Draw bar diagram and write the question to find the answer. This question we have here 4. Look at this question. 4 boys and 5 girls went 2 moves together. Between them, they had $120 spent. Tickets cost $8 each. How many? Okay. How many did the how how much money? Yes, how much money did they have to pay refreshment? Okay, we can write answer here about the number of students. We have 4 boys and 5 girls. We need to move between them. Look at here. We have 4 and 5. 4 boys and 5 girls went to go the moves together. Between them, they had 120 to spend. This cost $8 each. Then we can write 4 times 8 and 5 times 8 and the answer. Okay, from the difference 120. Like this, we can write 120 subtract by 4 product by the price of each one 8 and 5 product by 8 and then find the difference from 180. Or you can collect 4 plus 5 9. 9 times 8 equals 72. Then 120 subtract by the answer will be 72. 4 times 8 equal 32 and 5 times 8 40. You can collect together 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 4 7 and then find the difference. It will be 10 and this one 10 minus 2 equal 8 and 11 minus 7 equal 4. The result will be 48. And the number of students will be 48. Or the number of dollars remainder with them, it will be 48. Next question. Look at this picture here. Give me the information here. Look at here. We have this power plant has 4 tons of coal. Okay, this power plant. Then coal produces 2,460 kilowatt hours electricity. Okay, the plant reserves enough electricity to power 9 light bulbs for a year. How many additional kilowatt hours of electricity are produced to power the grounds? And write 1 or more equations to show how you solve. Tell what your variable represent. Look at here, it takes 876. Look at here, it takes 876 kilowatt an hour. You can find the answer how this. We can find 2,460. We have 410 product by this number and the answer subtract for the up. Okay, first step, we have 800. Look at the number here, it take 410 and each 10 has 876. We can product together and the result subtract from this number was what? 7,884. First step, we can product together, then find the difference between two numbers. Okay, 4 product by what? 4 product by 2,460. Okay, and we have 9. Where is the number here? It power. Look at here, this example, we have 9 light. 9 product by what? 876, and then find the difference between together. Okay, understood steps. First, 14 of a coal. Look at again, 14 of a coal. 10 of coal produce 2,460. Then we can product 4 product 2,460. And also we have here 9 light bulbs. Look at here, it takes 176 kilowatt hours of electricity to power 100 watt light bulbs. Then light bulbs, it will be 9 product 876, and then find the difference between together. Okay, we can write 4 times 0 equals 0, 4 times 6 equals 24. We can find the result. 4 times 6 24, write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 4 16 plus 2 equal 18, 8 and carry up 1. 2 times 4 8 plus 1 9, 9,840. And 9 times 6 equal 54, write 4 and carry up 5. 7 times 9 equals 63, 63 plus 5 equals 68, write 8 and carry up 6. 8 times 9 72, 72 plus 6 equals 78. And then find the difference between two numbers. Like here about this example, look at steps like this. Okay, the difference between together, we have the first solution 9,000 like here, where the 7 where here's the answer. We have the first answer and the second answer. He don't give me the answer. Okay, I will find the answer down here. 9,840 subtract by 7,884. 0 minus 4 we can do it for 1, it will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 3 minus 8 we can do 1. 13 minus 8 equal 5. and 7 minus 8 we can do it by 1. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1. 1956. Okay, it's correct answer about this question. You must know the steps. Okay, it's important question. Now another question, higher order thinking. Okay, we will read first and then solve the example. Okay, look at this table here. Ticket price for hometown field. Book seats $10 for each. And upper deck it will be 12 each. You have 350 to pay 26 tickets for a baseball game. You need to pay some of each kind of seat. You want to spend most of the money. How many of each type of tickets can you pay? Find two different solutions to the problem and find the equation. Okay, we want to pay 26 tickets. How the result will be? We have 350. If we choose from this number about book set, write 10, and this will be 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 times 26, you can take the answer or not. Okay, you must write the steps like this. 6 times first step, 26 equal 20 plus 6, okay? And we can write 6 product by 18 and 20 times 12 to find the answer. Do you know the steps or not? Look at here. We have 26. This number 26 equal 20 plus 6. Okay. He used here in this example. What is the step to find the correct answer? We can write 20 first, product by 18. Right here 26 product by, we have 26, right? 20 first, product by 18, because 26, look at here, 26 equal 20 plus 6, then 20, I will product 20 by 18, and 6 product by 12 to find the answer. Look at here, the first step, 20 times 18, it will be greater than, and 6 times 12, yes, so you must replace the answer. If you put this 0, 2 times 18 equals 360, it will be more than this number, so you must replace the numbers. Like what? Like 20 plus 6, 26. Write 20 first by this number, first 20 by 12. Okay, 20 by 12 and 6 by 18, and see the answer. Okay, write 0, 2 times 12, it will be 24, and 6 times 18, 6 times 8 equal 48, write 8 and carry a 4, 1 times 6, 6 plus 4 equal 10, 8 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 4 equal 4, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 348 needs to 350, okay? Then the answer will be 348 needs to number. Then the remainder will be what? 4 boxes seat tickets and 22 parts cost, 4 times 18 and 22 times 12, it will be 336. Okay. Next question. Assessment practice. Look at here. The gym teacher has $250 spent on volleyball equipment. She pays for volleyball needs for $28 each. Volleyballs cost $7 each. How many volleyballs can she pay, and explain how you solve? Use one or more equation and bar diagram in your explanation. Tell what your variable represent. The answer will be what? Look at here steps. Okay, we can also draw by diagram to find the answer. We can collect here 24 plus itself 4 times, or 28 times 4, and the result subtract from 2000 or 250. Understood the steps? You can find the answer by the answer here. First 250 subtract by 4 times 28. Okay, now I will find the answer and then divide the last step. Okay, divided by 7, the last step. Then we can write 250 subtract by, we can write 4 times 28. 250 subtract by 4 times is 32, 2 and carry out 3, 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11. Find the difference. It will be 10. 10 minus 2 equal 8, and 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. 138. And then we can divide it 138 by what? 138 divided by 7 to find the answer. 1 times 7 equals 7 and the remainder 5. Remainder 6. Remainder 6. Because it's the nearest two numbers. 68 divided by 7. What is the number about 7? 7 times 9 equals 63 and the remainder 5. Okay. Then the answer will be 19 and the remainder what? Remainder 5. Okay, you know the steps or not? Okay, again I will explain this question. Look at the steps with me. First step, I will find the difference between like 4 times 28. The result subtract from 250 and the answer will be divided by 7. The result will be 19 and the remainder 5. You must know the steps to find the answer about this question. Okay. Lesson number 4, topic 6.